on a petition linked to the hijab row raging in Karnataka, the Supreme Court today rejected an urgent hearing and said we will interfere only at an appropriate time. A girl in Karnataka had approached the Supreme Court after the High Court yesterday advised students to avoid wearing religious garments until it decides on a case involving hijab restrictions in schools and colleges. Let's go across to Sunil. All right, before that, let's just listen into what the Karnataka Chief Minister had to say on the controversy.
Last 2 days there is no incident. We want incident free in future also. So I want the cooperation of the media in this case, and we'll all work together. And we have taken a decision in a meeting now that up to 10th standard the schools will be open on Monday, and looking into the situation, as a second stage, we will decide about 11th, 12th standard and other degree colleges.
All right, so that's what the Chief Minister said regarding the opening of schools in the state and asking of students. But let's go across to Sunil now. And Sunil, so this is the second time that the Supreme Court has refused to interfere in this matter. They've said we'll intervene at an appropriate time. And today's plea was regarding observations that were made in the Karnataka High Court yesterday when students were asked not to wear any religious garments. Still, the final verdict comes in.
That's right, Gargi. In fact, they are quite well aware of what is happening, and that is why the Supreme Court, through the Chief Justice of India, making it clear that we don't spread these things to a national level. We'll interfere only at an appropriate time. So they are definitely, think over it. It's not proper to bring these things to Delhi, the national level. So there are.
All right, we seem to have lost the line there with Sunil, but the Supreme Court rejecting an urgent hearing today and saying we will interfere only at an appropriate time. This is after a student had approached the Supreme Court over the observations that were made in the Karnataka High Court yesterday. The Karnataka High Court is hearing petitions from a few of the students who have been barred from attending class for wearing hijab, and it's really from them that this entire issue has now exploded and escalated to this level in which schools and colleges have actually been shut in Karnataka. Let's go back to Sunil for more. And Sunil, even after the lawyer pressed the court to take it up, the court refusing, saying it has far-reaching implications.
That's right, Gargi. And in fact, making it very clear that at this point, don't spread it to a larger level. We know what is happening. Think over it. It is not proper to bring these things to Delhi at the national level. If there is anything wrong, we will definitely protect. So clearly the Supreme Court not wanting to intervene at this stage, wanting the High Court to deal with this matter. And then if the parties are not happy, they can definitely come to the Supreme Court. They will definitely look at this entire issue. But at this stage, for the second day, they're refusing to intervene and really wants the High Court at the present juncture to hear the matter.